Ever wonder what keyword search volume is and why it plays such a pivotal role in your SEO and PPC campaigns? Well, let's unravel this mystery. Keyword search volume is a critical metric in the digital marketing world. It's the average number of times a specific keyword is searched within a given time period. This metric is calculated by various SEO and PPC tools to inform marketers about the popularity of a particular keyword. Imagine you're building a new website or crafting a pay-per-click campaign. You'd need to know which keywords are likely to get you the most traffic, right? That's where understanding keyword search volume comes in handy. Let's say you own a pet food business, and you're trying to find out how many times the term dog food is searched monthly. You could use a tool like Keyword Overview to find this out. Simply type dog food into the search bar, and the tool will show you its search volume along with other useful metrics. This information is vital for your business. Knowing that dog food is searched for 110,000 times a month can guide your marketing efforts. It can help you craft content that targets this keyword, driving more traffic to your website. But it's not just about picking the most popular keywords. The search volume can also tell you how competitive a keyword is. The higher the search volume, the more websites are likely to be targeting that keyword. So, you might need to balance targeting popular keywords with finding those niche keywords that are less competitive but still have a decent search volume. To summarize, keyword search volume is a measure of how many times a keyword is searched for within a certain time frame. It's a crucial tool for anyone building a website, crafting a pay-per-click campaign, or doing any activity that involves keywords and driving web traffic. By understanding keyword search volume, you can target the most popular and relevant keywords for your business. This can boost your SEO efforts and drive more traffic to your website. So next time you're planning a campaign, make sure to consider keyword search volume. It could be your secret weapon to success.